Beautiful. Hit up, up.
Oh, fuck.
Funny how? I mean, what's funny about it?
We are currently climbing up a mountain near O'Reilly's, near Lamington Park in Queensland. We're trying to catch the sunset with Benny's new drone. We are low on time. This is definitely going to be a time constraint.
We are racing the sun. The sun is going down.
We want to catch that sunset with your new drone, and it doesn't want to get caught. That sun, we got 4 fingers now.
4 fingers? That's only 40 minutes.
No, yeah. That's 4 hours.
No, it's not. It's 10 minutes every finger.
Oh, we got 4, but I got fat fingers. I do, I got big fingers.
No, you don't.
I got big fingers. I got big hands. I got musician hands, like my dad. Ooh, this looks like something. Yeah, that's it.
I think this is it.
This is it. Oh my god, yay! What's good timing? It's a 4.4 kilometer walk.
Oh yeah, it's not far.
4.4 kilometer walk. 4.4. Not far. Jog.
We're gonna make it.
Yeah, we're gonna make it, then we'll have more time to film if we get a little joggy jog.
I'll carry it.
Nah, get in my way, hurry up.
So we're running.
Running.
Jess is carrying the drone.
Yeah, when I get tired, it's your turn though.
It's only 4Ks.
That's far. That'll take me like 2 hours.
It's downhill.
Careful steps. I shouldn't have drank that coffee. I should not have had a coffee before jogging 4 fucking Ks.
I mean, if we don't make it, at least we got a little workout in. We must be getting close now.
Hell yeah, can hear it. Oh, wow.
It's the nerves.
Okay. It's okay, baby. My heart. But that's the shot. So do that again.
So we did it, guys. We caught the sunset.
Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with us. We really appreciate it.
And if you want to, you don't have to, hit the subscribe button.
Have a lovely day, everyone, and remember to adventure.